Welcome back. It is Monday, so that means we get to check in with our local CPA, Jeromy Bourque. He joins us virtually. Jeromy, thanks so much for being here with us today.
Oh, happy to be here.
So we're tackling deductions and tax credits. Let's start with tax deductions. What do people at home need to know between these two?
Yeah, so this comes up kind of often because, as we talk each week about, tax credits and tax deductions. Some people get confused on the two of them. So a tax deduction is a deduction that reduces your total taxable income. Some examples are teachers get a $250 deduction to reimburse them for school supplies that the schools don't cover, student loan interest, things like that. What they do is they just reduce your taxable income, and then your taxes are based off of that taxable income.
Okay.
So it's not a complete reduction of how much you owe.
Okay, so a good example that you share with us, if someone has a $50,000 taxable income, what would that look like?
So if they had a $2,000 tax deduction against that taxable income, their new taxable income would be $48,000, and then what that would do is reduce tax by $240, assuming they're a married filing jointly couple.
Okay, and how does tax credits come into this too? Because I feel like we confuse the two a lot.
Definitely. So tax credits actually reduce your taxes.
Okay.
So think of credit almost like a refund or a rebate.
Okay.
Yeah. So if you owed $10,000 in federal taxes and you have the $2,000 tax credit, a good example of that one would be the child tax credit. $2,000 per child. That would take your $10,000 amount owed to the IRS down to $8,000.
Okay.
So again, a much better. We want more credits than we want deductions, basically. Yeah.
Yeah, and when do we find out if we have a tax credit? Is that usually when we file our taxes?
Yes. Yeah. Generally, if you have kids, that's a good freebie. $2,000 per child, depending on your taxable income.
Okay. And if people at home have any questions or they need some help with their taxes, or there's a topic like deductions and credits, it's still a little confusing, how can they contact you to get some help?
They can give us a call, 337-362-5005. Or they can email us at jeremy@jbourquecpa.com.
Jeromy, as always, thank you so much for joining us virtually today to share this with our viewers.
Oh, no problem. Happy to help.
Of course. And if you at home want to rewatch this and learn some more, head to our website, klaf.com. We'll put everything you need to know right there. Right now, though, let's check in with Adam Olivier.